this is T. Hoffman, and it's time for another 2-Minute Tuesday. I hope your week is off to a great and successful start. Today I got a call from a managing partner at a firm who was looking at their Google statistics on their newsletter that they do on a weekly basis for their firm. He noticed that the number of clicks that they're getting on the articles, which of course are taking their lawyers' time to write, are not getting as many hits as they once were. So I asked him, well, how many articles are you putting in your newsletter? And he said sometimes up to 8. Well, I can tell you, if you're putting 8 different articles and headings in a single newsletter, that's too much content. Remember, these days people like to see content in very small, concise bites. So as you think about newsletters, blog posts, even articles, remember our attention span has grown much shorter over the last 10 years. So make sure that you're making your point, you're making it clearly, you're making it simply, and that it's an easy read in a style that your clients can actually understand. That's the first thing. Second, if you're doing a newsletter every week, it's probably too much. People are adverse to getting something in their mailbox every single week from the same people over and over because they tend to think that you're almost spamming them. So remember, send out a newsletter every other week or once a month even. But again, don't make it too content heavy. Obviously, you want to share what you're doing, but remember, you can do that same kind of sharing on your website, on social media, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can send articles out, really, believe it or not, by paper still. People like to read those that are tactile. They like to pick them up, print them out, and read them. So those are things that you can do as well to get your content out there. So again, make sure that as you're communicating with your clients, you're finding out exactly what kind of content they find valuable, what they're reading, how long they want it to be. Ask them if the content you're providing is clear and concise and something that actually resonates with them. And if it's not, take a look at what you're doing and tweak it. I'm not saying don't do it. I'm just saying make sure you're making the most of your efforts. Now, this is T. Hoffman. Check out our online training at lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com and email me at thoffman@lawstrategycorp.com. Thanks so much and have a great rest of the week.